Hey guys, Brick Queen here with a really cool Funko Pop figure to review for you guys. This one is April O'Neil number 140 from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Here's some of the others you can get in the series on the back there. I think she is very, very cool. The regular price on these is about $9, but as you guys know, if you've been looking for these, the price really varies depending on where you find it, all the way from $9 up to $15, so it's kind of crazy, but it's pretty cool, so let's check it out. So here is the April O'Neil Pop Vinyl. I think this is a pretty cool figure. I actually do like that it's not based on the new movie. It is actually based on the classic cartoons, which is very cool. I like that she's got the yellow jumpsuit, and she's also got her Channel 6 News microphone, which is very awesome. I love that they added that detail right there, and I think they did a great job on her. These figures, as you know, they're really kind of for display. When I get done with mine, I put them right back in the box and stack them up, as you've seen behind me in some other videos. But anyway, I think this is a very cool figure. They did a great job on it, even adding pockets on her pants, as you can see there. So, let me know in the comments your thoughts on this awesome figure, and let me know what other Pop Vinyl you'd like to see me review. Thanks for watching, guys. Click here to check out some more Pop Vinyl reviews. And don't forget to comment, like, favorite, and subscribe.